While Lean Six Sigma methods continue to spread to every country in the world, these methods that originated in manufacturing are successfully being adapted well beyond manufacturing to logistics and distribution, services, retail, healthcare, construction, maintenance, and even in government. We will take a quick look at how Lean Six Sigma applies to service and transactional sectors, as well as to manufacturing.
So let's clarify what we mean by these different sectors. In manufacturing, parts or components or ingredients are transformed into a finished product. The process for this transformation will include some combination of manual labor, machines, tools, and different types of processing, like chemical or biological processing.
The service industry is different from manufacturing in that it produces something intangible, a service, knowledge, data, support, information. The service sector includes industries such as hospitality, travel, transportation, entertainment, and healthcare.
And the third sector that we're distinguishing is transactional. These are businesses that transform information or data. They create transactions. Transactional industries include businesses in finance, insurance, banking, order processing, etc. Business and industry can be described or categorized in various ways. Here we're making a distinction to help illustrate how the concepts of Lean Six Sigma are valuable and applicable for improving any process. Because Lean and Six Sigma originated in manufacturing, many people have the impression that it only applies to manufacturing. But this is just not the case. The principles of continuous improvement and the tools and methods apply across all industries because they're based on understanding and improving a process, any process.
No matter the business or industry, from a high level, we start by identifying the customers of our process, whether internal to the organization or external paying customers. Once we have identified the customers, we can begin to understand what is important to them, how they define value. We explore our process in detail to explore how to remove waste and to better respond to the needs of our customers.
And when we've removed waste and improved our quality, we continue to strive for perfection and start the cycle again in the same area or in another area of the organization. It doesn't matter if we're making windshields, admitting a patient into an emergency room, or making a deposit into a bank account. The method and structure used to make the process better is the same. The difference is that we'll focus on different aspects of the process and maybe use different specific analysis tools and methods, depending on the problem that we're working to solve.
In all improvement projects, we focus on improving a specific measurable result. While there will be some overlap and consistent themes in all industries, we can expect to see a different focus for each.
For example, in a manufacturing business, an improvement effort might focus on first pass yield. That's the number of products that come out of the production perfect the first time, with no fixing mid-process or no rework. Or maybe safety. That's reducing the number of incidents or near misses or increasing safety compliance practices. Or maybe an increase in the quantity of items produced with the same amount of effort.
These are different outcomes than we might focus on in the service sector, which would likely include projects that focus on customer satisfaction scores, or consistency of service, or speed and efficiency in the process. Businesses that provide a direct service to customers need to focus on predictability. For example, checking into a hotel could take 3 minutes or 30, depending on a lot of different factors. This unpredictability is not good from a customer perspective.
In a transactional business, the focus will likely be on the accuracy of the information or data that's used, or the logic to complete the transaction, or maybe the speed of the transaction. Most transactional services rely heavily on software and apps, which mean that they'll likely focus on technical defects and extra features. Customers define what it means to be easy to use, which is a critical factor for most customers in a transactional business.